Episode 35 is about the death penalty. Why is the death penalty morally objectionable?
Well, I think for me, at the core is the idea that morally it's wrong to say taking a life is unethical and then take a life to prove that. There's no world in which I think that makes any kind of sense. So regardless of what you think in the rest of the world of, is it, just or whatever, at the core, to me, it's an unjust principle. I also don't think it works. It doesn't do anything positive. It doesn't deter. We have lots of evidence that suggests that. We also know unequivocally, we know 100% that it is incredibly racially disparate, that it's applied in terribly racist ways. And to me, that by itself should disqualify the practice. We also know it's cruel. And I know there are people who will say, well, they did a terrible thing, and so if that person who they did the terrible thing to can't be around, then they shouldn't be around anymore either. But unfortunately, I understand where you're coming from with that, but here's the problem. I know a lot of people who committed a murder, and several of them that I know have turned out to be really important people in trying to help other people, doing things every day to trying to make the world a better place. In my opinion, why would you not want that? Why doesn't that serve the purpose of, doing something positive with a terrible event? Making that life matter again, is to me much more valuable than getting rid of two lives. And so at the end of the day, I just think it's totally wrong to do it in the first place. And then I've seen what can happen, how people can be transformed, and what they can accomplish, and I just, and I know this makes me, some people are going to be upset with this, but I just don't believe in being cruel to people as an answer. I don't believe in brutality. I don't believe in killing. And if I don't believe in killing, then we shouldn't kill, period.